Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw XRP from Binance to Gemini in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, especially with all the updates in the crypto world. Whether you're switching exchanges for better rates or just diversifying your holdings, this step-by-step guide will get you there smoothly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Binance and Gemini, and that your XRP is in your Binance Spot wallet. Always double-check that your accounts are verified to avoid any hiccups. Start by logging into your Binance account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section at the top of the page, then select Spot Wallet to see your balances. Next, find and click on the Withdraw button next to your XRP balance. This will open up the withdrawal form. Now, you'll need your Gemini wallet address. Log into your Gemini account in a new tab, go to the Deposit section, select XRP, and copy the provided address. Be extra careful here. Crypto addresses are case sensitive, and one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Back on Binance, paste the Gemini address into the Address field. Then, enter the amount of XRP you want to withdraw, but don't forget to check the network. XRP typically uses the XRP ledger, so ensure it matches. You'll see a fee estimate. Factor that into your total to avoid withdrawing too little. Review everything one last time, then hit Confirm and complete the security verification, like 2FA if you have it set up. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. Head back to Gemini and check your account under the Deposit History to confirm it arrives. And just like that, you're done. Remember, crypto is all about staying safe. Always use hardware wallets for long-term storage and keep an eye on any 2025 updates from Binance or Gemini. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.